Alright, we are in eco mode right now. And the question is there a difference between eco mode and sport mode? If everything feels really smooth. The gears feel really nice. We're still in eco mode. I mean, it feels really good. Get on it, it sounds pretty cool. You know what I mean? It makes you feel like you're going really fast and you're not. That's one thing I like about it, you know. One thing I like about these lower cc motorcycles, that they just give you that adrenaline rush, like, oh, you're just having a little fun. Too much fun that you're gonna hurt yourself. It's enough to get your blood pumping, but everything's a lot quieter when you're in eco mode. I'm gonna put it in sport, see if you can hear the difference. I know I can feel the difference for sure. This thing in sport, so much louder. You start hearing like the exhaust popping a little bit, but you can hear it. I first got it, people online were saying that it was just a display thing. It's definitely not. There is a difference between eco and sport. Now you know there is a difference. Later.